Need a business loan? ArchOver, a UK peer-to-peer lending platform, offers a fresh alternative to traditional banks. Find links in the description. ArchOver provides secured loans for small and medium-sized businesses, from £250,000 to millions, with terms from 12 to 36 months. Unlike personal loans, these are asset-backed, reducing risk for both borrowers and lenders. Perfect for business expansion, working capital, or refinancing, even if traditional banks say no. ArchOver demands transparency. Businesses provide financial documentation and loans undergo strict credit assessments. Interest rates are competitive, and investors can earn fixed returns with asset-backed security. P2P lending does carry risk. If you need a secured business loan with a simple application and fixed repayments, ArchOver might be right for you. But compare lenders. Check the description for more details and alternatives.